Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 1,841 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with accent lighting and a rear bumper. It comes well equipped with cruise control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and rider comfort, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a drive weight of 1,204 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.